Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very quick little glam vid. I'm actually just going to be showing you guys or giving you guys my glowy skin recipe. Now this is an easy way using affordable drugstore products to really enhance the glow of your skin. I'm here for that glowy goddess look. So I'm going to give you guys my little recipe. Keep using the word recipe, but yeah, if you're interested, then just stay tuned. So first of all, I already have my eye makeup done. It's a simple look today. We are not primey. We are, but it's not your regular prime. Let me introduce you guys to the Hard Candy Just Glow All Over Body Luminizer. Probably a couple months back in one of my drugstore finds videos. Actually, I think it was this month. I think it was my August drugstore finds video. I introduced you guys to this baby. So yeah, this is super clutch, fresh coconut smell. So you guys have seen this on my channel before. So you could use this or pretty much, and this is at Walmart by the way, I forget the price, but I'll put it right here. You can use any pretty much body luminizer. You could use a luminizing face serum as well, obviously. The thing about this is it does have an oily feel to it. My skin isn't overly oily, so for me that's okay, but for someone that oiliness is an issue, maybe you just want to use a more thicker textured luminizing face primer, such as the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminux Photo Focus Face Primer. It's more of like a lotion texture. This is a little bit more watery. So I only put one pump on my finger. Okay, y'all see that? And I'm gonna go ahead, since it's a body luminizer, I'm gonna do my collarbone and shoulder area as well. But yeah, a little bit goes a long way. 3.8 flat ounces, almost 4 ounces. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but ooh, the glow is there. I love it. Right now my face looks, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Right now my face looks oily, but that brings me to step 2. So we are not going to be using any full coverage foundation or any matte foundations. That would just kind of erase what we did right here. So you're either going to use a dewy satiny finish foundation or a lighter BB cream. This is the Winky Lux White Tea Tinted Veil, pretty much a BB cream from Target. And I'm just taking one pump to start. We're going to do a lighter layer. You can see how dewy that finishes. I can take a blender and just kind of like lightly go over it. So I already love how it's turning out, but we have one more step. So one major key step to this look is we are not going to do a contour. It will take away from our super glowy look. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Bretman Rock Jungle Rock Dual Loose Highlighting Powder. I love using this lighter champagne colored one. So we are not contouring or jumping right to highlight, and you're gonna see the end result. So where am I highlighting? My regular highlight zones. Cheeks, tip and bridge of nose. Maybe a little above the lip and the chin. Okay guys, so pretty much this is, oh, hold on. I also have my Bretman Rock Wet n Wild setting spray, which has a shimmery dewy mist finish. So this is it. This is my super glowy skin. Here is a close-up. It's just very glowy. It looks healthy. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna put some clear gloss on because that definitely is needed with this look. Okay guys, I love this. This is like a really, oh my gosh. Now, maybe this is too much for you when you think it's too shiny. Totally understandable. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody, but I love it personally. And I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.